Welcome. So we're going to answer this question before us, and as you can see, it is taken from a Year 12 exam from 2017. It says, for Jack to log on to the computer successfully, Jack must type the correct password. Unfortunately, Jack has forgotten the password. If Jack types the wrong password, Jack can make another attempt. The probability of success on any attempt is 2 on 5. Assume that the result of each attempt is independent of the result of any other attempt. A maximum of 3 attempts can be made. What is the probability that Jack does not log onto the computer successfully? So the probability that he doesn't log onto it successfully would be 3 failed attempts, because we're told that he has a maximum of 3 attempts to make here. Now, if the probability of success is 2 on 5, that means the probability of failure is 3 on 5. Now, these are all independent events, which means that one's failure doesn't affect the other one. It's always going to be 3 on 5. So therefore, we just go 3 on 5 times 3 on 5 times 3 on 5, which is going to be 27 on 125. That is going to be our answer there. This is only a 1-mark question, so you want to get in and get out and be done with it. Okay, next. Calculate the probability that Jack logs onto the computer successfully. Express your answer in the form A on B, where A and B are positive integers. Well, this is where you've got to be discerning. We're trying to figure out the probability of success. Well, we just figured out the probability that he fails. So surely the probability that he succeeds will be 1 minus this value right here, 27 on 125. And when you subtract those from each other, what you're going to end up with is 98 on 125. And that's it. So if you think through these questions nice and logically, you can answer them rather quickly. And as you can see, this is again worth 1 mark. So you want to get in and get out. Next one. Calculate the probability that Jack logs onto the computer successfully on the 2nd or 3rd attempt. Express your answer in the form C and D, where C and D are positive integers. Okay, so if it's successful on the 2nd attempt, that means he failed at the 1st attempt, but then he got the 2nd one. And if he succeeded on the 3rd attempt, that means he failed the 1st attempt, he failed the 2nd attempt, but then he got the 3rd attempt. Now, what would these be as probabilities? Well, this would be 3 on 5 for a failure, but then 2 on 5 for a success. So what is 3 on 5 times 2 on 5? It is going to be 6 on 25. And then what is going to be failure times success? So if we multiply all of those together, we're going to get 18 on 125. The next thing that we need to do here is we would need to say what this is in terms of when it has a base of 125. So I would times both the numerator and denominator by 5 here, and that would tell me it's 30 on 125. And now all you have to do to get your answer is simply go 18 on 125 plus 30 on 125, and we'll get our answer of 48 on 125. That is how you would answer that question right there. Hopefully all of this made sense, and I'll see you later.